Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2015 Ram 1500 truck, and I will show you how to remove and replace the high mounted brake light assembly or the brake light bulbs. This video will apply to Ram 1500s made from 2009 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, you want to remove two mounting screws. You'll have one Phillips screw here and one on the opposite side, so you want to remove those two. Okay, once you have these two screws out, you want to gently pull this light assembly towards yourself, because it's still gonna be held by these two black pins. You see, there will be one pin here and one pin just down there, and they will be in this small hole. So that's why I said you have to pull it straight out towards yourself. If you pull it up or down, you will break those pins. And now this is quite easy. You'll have total of 3 light bulbs, right? If you want to remove just one specific bulb, what you will do, you will just turn this socket counterclockwise and pull it out, right? This is in case you only have to replace one of the bulbs. If you want to completely remove this complete assembly, or if you're replacing this assembly, you will just disconnect it here and this connector. We'll have one tab here on the opposite side. Just here you want to press it and disconnect. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.